About to see if we can beat the rain. Was gonna do a full spread, but pause. Goddamn. Was gonna lay the whole setup out, but that's not gonna happen. At least today, possibly tomorrow when it's sunny. But yeah, we can at least open the rear section. Bomba card when we are talking about open rear section. We can at least open this package and show the contents. This one is not handled with care either, but yeah. But yeah, the guys over at the Fun Yard definitely did package us up well, because the first package did not come in a satisfactory manner. Bomba cup, top about package come. Beer pausing. That this video, yeah man. But yeah, definitely gonna try to set up a partnership with those guys, because this was a very good purchasing experience, which is quite rare. But yeah. So we got a complete Becker exhaust system now. So this is the end section. So I'm gonna see if we have enough time while or before the rain picks back up to lay the entire system out on these yoga mats. But yeah. Some dirt inside there. But my God. Hold on, let me take my rings off. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah, let's get a closer look. Becker Performance. Mud thing in it. Thing is fucking mud, bro. You get me? And it's not heavy at all, so that's good. Welding looks good. I do believe the system was back purged, so that's good. It does look like there's good penetration in the weld, so yeah. This does look like a good setup. But yeah. So let's open the other one and then see if we have enough time to lay the whole thing out and go from there. So yeah, I also can't wait to hear how this sounds. I did want to drop this stuff off early in the week, but we're waiting for the rod bolts, oil pan gasket, oil drain bolt, 10W60 oil, and a couple other things, and then, oh yeah, motor mounts, and then that's it. Because we already have the rod bearings upstairs. So yeah, should be ready to get this stuff all installed. Hopefully I could drop it off next Wednesday night or Thursday morning, either of the two. And then maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday gets worked on, and we pick it up Monday. But it should be like a day worth, like a full day's worth of work to get the rod bearings done, and then the headers, because the motor mounts are done during rod bearings. Oil change is done during rod bearings. What else? And then the motor already has to be lifted and whatnot. So the exhaust just drops down on both the headers, slap everything on, and that's that. It's not that easy, like it's a lot of work, but it should be about a full day, day and a half to get all this stuff done. And we're most likely going to go with my boy Jeremy, just because he is more readily available. That's literally it, because Axion is always talking about how they have to like turn people away because they get too much traffic in. And Jeremy, I believe he has 2 techs, and then also 2 people who do like the customer service stuff. So he has a lot more help than John. So he's able to get through a lot more volume of work just because of that. Massachusetts, is actually very, very hard to hire people who not only do work on vehicles like maintenance wise, but people who do stuff that's performance oriented. So yeah, that's the issue with a lot of the shops right now. So lay all this stuff out and then put it all away for next week. Fail, because the rain is already coming back, so I'll just have to have you guys use your imagination. Also, cars are a lot bigger than you expect, so I thought this amount of space would work, but definitely doesn't. Would need another yoga mat. So headers, I don't remember if the downpipes come first. It has to be the downpipes, then the X pipe, then these 2 resonated sections here, and then the muffler part at the back. So this is the entire Becker exhaust system. You know what? I'm just gonna take them out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Yeah, let's just do it. Screw it. Actually, no, I can already hear the rain picking up even more, so we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put everything away, unfortunately. Maybe tomorrow I'll make another video of me taking everything out and just laying it out like the full length of the vehicle. But yeah, I am really excited to get this exhaust system put on. I'm hoping it just bolts up and everything like that. There's not much or any fab at all, but the car's gonna sound sick. Not gonna have any more exhaust leaks. So yeah, I am very excited for this. I'm already sweating. What the hell is that? Oh no, it went the other way. God damn it, we missed it. Whatever car that was, it did sound good. Most likely a 5.0 Mustang. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to clean up out here, then go back inside. I may record something else if I do end up doing something later today. If I do, you guys will see it. If I don't, you won't. Or if I do something that I can actually record. Because again, I do a lot of things, but I can't put it on the internet. So, yeah. Or I can, just not YouTube.